Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to bar lace Nike Air Force 1. You can use this method to straight lace other shoes as well. At the end of the video I will show you what I do with the ends of the laces. First, thread the laces with the metal mark through the bottom two holes. Then take the right end of the lace and thread it through the third right hole from the bottom. Now take the left lace and thread it through the second left hole from the bottom. Then take the left lace and thread it through the hole that is parallel to the right side. Now take the right lace and thread it through the third hole from the right. Next, take the left lace and thread it through one hole at the top left. Then take the right end of the lace and thread it through one hole on the right as well. Now thread it through the opposite holes and continue lacing to the penultimate holes. Take the ends of the laces and tie a bow and hide it inside the sneaker under the tongue of the sneaker. Now Nike AF1 bar lacing is ready. If you found this video useful, you can put it, like it, write a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.